Today, we're diving into a very interesting topic. Can ChatGPT help you find jobs? If you're on a job hunt, this video is for you. We'll explore how this AI tool can assist you in your job search, from crafting resumes to preparing for interviews. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about crafting a resume. A well-crafted resume is crucial for making a great first impression. ChatGPT can help you format your resume, suggest strong action verbs, and even tailor it to specific job descriptions. For example, I'll type my prompt here in this input. Let's say, ChatGPT, can you help me create a resume for a marketing manager position? There we go. Next, you might have to put together and/or list down all the details that are mainly preferred in a resume: your work experience, your professional summary, your skills, and even your educational background. Here are all the details that I listed. For instance, that for applying as a marketing manager. There we go. Now let's hit enter and see what ChatGPT would provide us based on how it generated as a result. As you can see, ChatGPT provides a structured approach. These detailed inputs ensure your resume looks professional and tailored to the job you're applying for. If you want to learn the full tutorial in creating your own resume, click this video link in the upper right corner of this video frame right here. Next, let's move on to writing a cover letter. This can be one of the most daunting parts of applying for jobs, but ChatGPT right here makes it easier for you. Let's say my prompt would be, ChatGPT, can you help me write a cover letter for a marketing manager position at XYZ company? So let's see how ChatGPT would do based on what I input right here. Here, as you can see, ChatGPT guides you through each section of the cover letter, ensuring it's comprehensive and impactful. Now, let's move on to the next section, where we highlight your skills. Let's say for this prompt that I'll be typing right here, I'll be asking like, ChatGPT, how can I highlight my skills in the cover letter? Here we go. And let's see how ChatGPT would respond. So, as you can see, ChatGPT helps you showcase your skills and achievements throughout this process right here. As you can see, there we go. It's currently revising. There. Let's make it more effective. Now, let's add or revise a strong closing statement. ChatGPT, let's see what you got. Here's my prompt right here. ChatGPT, can you suggest a strong closing statement for the cover letter? There we go. Let's see how ChatGPT would generate. With ChatGPT's help, your cover letter will be structured, persuasive, and tailored to the job description. It ensures you make a strong impression on potential employers in the future. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithms show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Lastly, ChatGPT can offer personalized career advice based on your unique situation. Whether you're changing careers, re-entering the workforce, or looking for growth opportunities, ChatGPT right here has got you covered. You can ask, like, for example, ChatGPT, I'm considering a career change from finance to marketing. Do you have any advice for me? There we go. Now let's see how ChatGPT would respond and help us out. As you can see, it's currently processing. With ChatGPT's personalized advice, you can confidently navigate your career transition and make informed decisions. And that's how ChatGPT can help you find jobs, from crafting your resume to preparing for interviews and offering personalized advice. This AI tool right here is a game changer for job seekers.